Okay, everyone, in this video, I want to share to all of you about how to make this unique table. This table is with the combination between the glass on the countertop of the table, and for the holder or the foot of table, it's is using the lumber solid solid wood right there. It's using a solid wood with the decoration like this. Okay, and first of all, I have to share to all of you about the making the top table first. You have to choose the circle, and then you can set the radius with 500 millimeter for radius, and you can smooth. You can make it smooth with this tools. And you can type 64 and then enter. Then you can set the thickness is around um, 50 millimeter or just 30 millimeter, right? Okay. I mean, it was similar with the example. So then you can select the glass. You can select the glass right there, and then you can move with what 450 millimeter. So then you can set the rectangle using the rectangle for making the support of the table approximately just like this. Then you can push it up around 450 millimeter. Okay, and then you can select the 2-point arc. Then you can draw approximately in this position. Okay, then you can draw like this. Okay, or if you feel it's too small, you can repeat again. Then you can select the um, this. Okay, you can select this one. Okay, then you can push it until the limit, and then you can make group. Then you can select the wood material with using this one. Okay, then in this position you can rotate. You can rotate and press Control to duplicate, and then you can type 90. Okay, you can type a 90, and then you can move with the proper position. You can move on the proper position on this position, right? And this one, I mean, it is enough. So then you can make it group. You can make it group the both of the object with select with a left click and right click and make group. So then we can move until touch the floor like this. Okay, so you can get this table, or if you feel it's too small for the top table, you can make it larger. You can make the top table larger by using this scale, by using the scale. Okay, the scale approximately just like this, and then you can push it down until the proper thickness of the top table. Then you can move on the correct position. Okay, just approximately just like this. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and uh, hope you can try this on your device. You can try this easily on your device, and wait for my next tutorial in this content. Thank you.